Patrick here with the Ferret Wi-Fi. Today we're going to have a little fun with the Ferret in the kitchen. I'm going to put the Ferret Wi-Fi in my dishwasher and let everybody know just how waterproof the Ferret Wi-Fi is. Well, I just put the Ferret Wi-Fi in the dishwasher. So we're waiting for the water to go on, and here we go. It's Ferret water feature. So if you're wondering if the Ferret's waterproof, with the back cap on, it's now running through the dishwasher. But as you can see, totally waterproof. Now we know you can't use the Ferret Wi-Fi underwater or underground because you'll lose the Wi-Fi signal. But with the back cap on, you're not going to have to worry about getting the Ferret Wi-Fi wet.